What's up, America? This is Kim with Geauga Firearms Academy. Thanks for watching. Today, I'm going to shoot a shotgun for the very first time. Yesterday was Mother's Day. We were going to do it, but there was so much snow. We actually got snow in Ohio, which is pretty funny. I'll put a picture up there. Today, we thought it would be funny. We had a TV that was broken. We're like, let's shoot the TV. So we're going to have some fun and shoot this TV.
Real quick, this is, for those that care, this is a Winchester XXP Defender. Pretty basic pump gun. One thing about shotguns that's pretty interesting, it's one of the only, it's probably the most versatile firearm on the planet. I mean, I could shoot a small bird or small animal, turn around and shoot a bear. And depending on the ammo I put in there, it would be effective for both. So, kind of unique. That said, Kim has never shot a shotgun before, and I know that a lot of idiots out there, and I mean that in the most negative way possible, take people out to learn a shotgun, especially a 12 gauge, and they put in a magnum load because they think it's funny as hell, and that is ignorant and stupid, and you are doing damage to that person, both emotionally from the trauma of this gun that just hurt them, and physically it can hurt them. And then the other thing people do is they get scared after that recoil, which we've got to go through a lot of training now to reprogram, because that's one of the biggest issues, is that people will then pull the shotgun away from their body because they don't want to get hurt. And for those that shot shotguns before, you know that's going to make it even 10 times worse. So please don't be that idiot, okay? So Kim knows very well what we're going to be shooting today, which is going to be a buckshot, but it's low recoil. It's specifically designed to be low recoil. That is not the Hornady that are on here, but these are not a very heavy recoiling shell either. These are the flight control double odd block from Hornady. I also have some heavy steel number 2s that kick like a mule, and Kim probably won't shoot that today unless she feels really comfortable. But we'll throw a couple at that. But we have this TV, and America, why not? We're gonna shoot it with this shotgun and see what happens with some double odd buck. So here we go. For those that are not familiar with double odd buck, this is a low recoil. I'm gonna show you up close. If you can see inside there, you'll see there is basically 9mm size projectiles. These are 1200 feet per second. So again, low recoil. So basically every time I press the trigger, you got 9 pellets coming out of here. So pretty effective, and they're moving roughly the speed, if not faster, than 9mm. So that's like 9mm projectiles coming in at one time. So kind of a unique, again, that's part of the allure of a shotgun, some unique stuff. So that's what Kim's going to be shooting at the TV. All right, Kim, you ready?
Yeah, bear with me. It's my first time.
All right, don't be nervous. So you're going to put it's called a combat load. You're going to put one in there. There you go. Now feed the tube.
All right.
TV's got a little orange mark on it there, so you've just got something to aim at. There you go.
Thank you.
So what she's doing right now is just filling up the tube. Is that all of them?
Got one more.
All right. These tubes can be replaced. You can get extended tubes for more rounds on the whole 9 yards. The SXP has a Remington style, if you will, safety on it, so Mossbergs are up here. Other than that, she's got a nice big green fiber optic front sight on there, which you're going to put on that orange dot. Everything else is pretty much the same as a rifle for the most part. All right, whenever you're ready.
All right.
Make sure you get good mount out. There you go.
Also.
Yep. Safety's off. There you go. Now pump it. And you can see that with the Winchester action there, it pretty much unlocks immediately.
Oh, that's crazy.
Racket?
That's fun.
Racket? There you go. All right, now point down for a second. Put your safety on.
All right. Okay.
Let's take a quick look at the TV here. Well, you're definitely accurate, huh?
I killed that Post-it note.
Wow.
The Post-it note's gone.
So let's see what's on the back. There's the back of it. And again, there's nine little pellets come out of there. You can see it's not a huge spray like they show on TV either. All right, so you put 2 down or 3 down already. What say you?
Well, I was really afraid at first. I've shot a lot of ARs and pistols, obviously, but it was actually really fun, and it wasn't that bad.
Very good. All right, well, you got some left.
Okay, ready.
There you go. So this is, by the way, those are 2 3/4. These are 3-inch Magnum heavy steel number 2s. These kick like a mule, so I'm gonna just throw one out there just to see what it does. We're, I don't know, 7 yards or so. Let's see what it does to the good old TV. And you definitely want to make sure you're mounted with this really well, otherwise you will be sorry the next day for sure. Okay. Wow.
Uh-oh. It knocked it over.
We got him. Here you go. You can see all the little pellets. There are 25 pellets in there. They're about 15 caliber in size. These are the wads, by the way. I'll pull one of these out carefully. That's what kind of keeps all the shot or the balls together. Okay, the pellets together. I don't know which is which, but you can see they have enough force. They went through the glass of this, so depending on how close you are, that still can be pretty unpleasant to get hit with. So that was just one shot. So look at the spread there. That's, again, that's about 7 yards. We'll see if Kim wants to shoot one, but that's where we're at. And then there's the back here. You can see where the double-aught was going through. And there's actually, I believe, a wad that went all the way through, and you can see where the pellets themselves didn't actually come through. So something to note, those are steel, actual steel shot, and it obviously went through the glass, but it did not come through the back of the plastic. Kind of interesting.
Does anybody want a TV?
Yeah, we'll sell it to you cheap. Kim decided to do the. Yeah, she's gonna do it. So again, just keep it nice and tight to the body. You got no issues. Whoa, blew that right over. What'd you think of that?
That was fun.
All right, there you go. I'm actually shocked it didn't really go through too much. That one did, but that's the second time.
The other one, man.
I'll kind of show this all the way around. That's just 2 of those. So there's basically 50 pellets, and here's the wad on that one for sure. Crazy. Right into the glass. Kim, so that pretty much wraps that up. What'd you think?
That was really fun. We had a lot of fun doing this video, and we hope you guys enjoyed it too. It was just a fun little video. We're going to do some more shotgun videos now, so look for those coming soon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, a like, a share, a comment. I always love to hear from you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe here on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook, on Instagram, and we put all of our premium content on Patreon. Until next time, remember, it's always better to be judged by 12 than carried by 6.